Welcome back to LifeAct. This video will give you an explanation of a well-established method that can be used to help you achieve your goals next year. Are you ready to make 2023 a success? One of the best ways to do that is by setting SMART goals. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These 5 elements can help you create goals that are clear, realistic, and achievable. But what do each of these 5 elements consist of? Let's go through them now. Specific. Having a specific goal prevents you from going in circles with no clear direction or outcome in mind. It ensures that your goal is clear and well-defined. To make your goal specific, consider answering the following questions. What do I want to accomplish? Why is this goal important? How will I achieve it? When will I know I've achieved it? A goal such as, I want to lose weight, is not a specific goal. This is because it does not specify how much weight you want to lose, or how you plan to do it. But specifying that you want to lose 10 pounds by exercising at least 30 minutes per day and eating a healthy diet is far more specific. Another example could be, I want to improve my public speaking skills by practicing presentations and seeking feedback from friends or family. This is a specific goal because it explains what you want to achieve and sets a plan for how you will achieve it. Setting specific goals will help you focus your efforts and increase the likelihood that your desired outcome will be achieved. Measurable. A measurable goal is something that can be quantified or tracked, so that you can measure your progress and determine whether you're on track to achieve your goal. Think about what measurable progress looks like to you. What will be different at the end of the year if all goes according to plan? An example of a measurable goal could be, I want to increase my website's traffic by 30% in the next quarter by implementing search engine optimization, publishing regular blog posts, and promoting my content. This goal is measurable because it includes a specific target and outlines specific actions that will be taken to achieve the goal. In this context, monitoring the traffic to the website over time and measuring the result of these actions enables the performance of the website to be measured. Another example of a measurable goal could be to finish writing my book. I will write 60,000 words in 6 months. Whatever your goal may be, ensure you're writing down exactly how much progress you want to make at different stages before reaching your goal to keep you on track. Achievable. Setting goals that are too ambitious or unrealistic can be demotivating and make it difficult to achieve your ultimate aim. It's important to strike the balance between something realistic and something that would be too easy to achieve. An example of an achievable goal would be, I want to improve my time management skills by creating a daily schedule, setting aside dedicated time for important tasks, and limiting distractions during work hours. Setting a goal like this for yourself is achievable as it considers specific actions to improve time management skills and is realistic given the resources and constraints. To make your goals achievable, consider your current circumstances and resources. It's important not to make your goals too vague or abstract. Focus on specific actions that will help move things forward to achieving your vision. Relevant. To make your goals relevant, consider whether they align with your values. If a goal does not align with your principles or contribute to what you want to achieve in the long run, it may not be worth pursuing. The more relevant and aligned your goals are, the more meaningful and motivating, as they will be something that you care about and are committed to achieving. For example, if you are a project manager, your relevant goal may be, I want to improve my team's productivity by implementing a new project management process and providing more training to my team. This is a relevant goal because it addresses an area that may be important to you as a project manager and aligns with your values and long-term objectives. It may prove useful to identify your values. Keeping things like family, career development, personal growth, or financial security in mind will provide some guidance on what you want to pursue. Time-bound. To make your goals time-bound, set a deadline for when you want to achieve them. By setting these deadlines, you create a sense of urgency and will focus your efforts to achieve your goal within a specific time frame. An example of a time-bound goal could be, I want to save $500 for a down payment on a car by the end of the year by cutting expenses. This goal is time-bound because it includes a deadline for your aim. It's also helpful to break your goals down into smaller, more manageable points of action and create a schedule to complete them. It's important now to cover some common mistakes when making SMART goals. Identifying what you should avoid increases your ability to use SMART goals to the fullest and maximize your chance of achieving your objectives. The first common mistake is aiming too high. Make sure you're breaking down one big goal into smaller steps. This avoids you from making drastic changes to the way you behave and stops you from getting overwhelmed. The second common mistake is being unclear about your outcome. Being concrete in what you want to achieve helps you identify the necessary steps that need to be taken to get where you want to be. The third common mistake is not having contingencies in place when things go astray. Life does not always go as planned, but planning for possible obstacles can give you a sense of confidence that you can overcome these problems. The fourth common mistake is shying away from commitment. It's important to practice self-discipline to stay on course and avoid reverting to when your goals were just dreams. The fifth, and possibly most common mistake, is not seeing failure as a stepping stone to success. Your missteps should be seen as motivation for you to persevere. Instead of seeing failure as the end of your journey, see it as a minor detour from your path to success. Now that you have some knowledge of each element of SMART and common mistakes to avoid when making a SMART goal, here's how you can use them effectively to achieve your goals in 2023. Take some time to think about what you want to achieve in the coming year. What are your long-term goals? What do you want to do in your personal life or in your career? Write down your goals. Be as specific and measurable as possible. For example, I want to increase my savings by $10,000 by the end of 2023. Or, I want to be able to finish a marathon in under 4 hours within the next 6 months. Evaluate your goals. Are they achievable given your current circumstances and resources? If not, you may need to adjust them or come up with a plan to get the resources you need to achieve them. Make sure your goals are relevant to you. Set deadlines and keep track of your progress. This will boost morale when achieving milestones to reach your ultimate goal. By setting SMART goals and creating a plan to achieve them, you can make 2023 your most successful year yet. Did you enjoy today's video? Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Leave a comment about how you're going to be using SMART goals for 2023. Thanks for watching LifeAct.